Hello and welcome. My name is Rebecca and I am the temporary housewife. Today I share with you another hack around the kitchen, slow cooker lasagna. This is perfect for those that don't have a lot of time and maybe like to meal prep once a week. In my case, I made a big batch of meat sauce and used it on several recipes throughout the week. This was one of them. And these are some of the ingredients I used. I also used 8 ounces of cream cheese, Parmesan cheese, parsley, and eggs. For this lasagna, you can definitely follow your favorite meat sauce recipe. If you would like to make it the way I did, you can go ahead and watch my video on Puerto Rican lasagna. Ideally, you would use ricotta cheese for a lasagna, but we weren't feeling it that day, so we went ahead and used the cream cheese, but worked it the same way I would work the ricotta cheese. I added 1 egg, Parmesan cheese, and parsley. Before I started layering my lasagna, I sprayed the surface with a non-stick cooking spray. And now to start layering our lasagna, we're first gonna add some meat sauce at the bottom. You will notice there is a lot of liquid in my meat sauce, and that is on purpose. We need that liquid so that our oven ready noodles soak it up and soften as the lasagna cooks. And you're gonna break your lasagna noodles as needed. It doesn't have to be perfect or pretty, it needs to be delicious. And because this is more of a casserole, you can make as many layers as you want. It is your lasagna, your kitchen, your rules. And as you see at the top right corner, my other hand just wanted to say hello. Once I'm done pouring the last layer, I'm gonna cover it. Now, you can either cook this for 4 to 6 hours on low or for 2.5 hours on high. This lasagna, friends, turned out beautiful and delicious. It was so good. And remember the liquid from our meat sauce? There is none left. Our noodles soaked it all up. And voila! This is how I served it. It was a pretty hectic day, so I just took some store-bought garlic bread and threw it into our air fryer. A salad would have been perfect with it also. I'm just so glad that I had meal prepped that meat earlier in the week so that I was able to assemble this lasagna and just walk away from it until we were ready to eat. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see some more, please subscribe. Thank you for spending this time with me, and buen provecho!